that I found in the trunk.
Show me the birdie. We should keep it.
Get inside the car.
I picked it up and I put it in a shirt and I put it in this box.
Show me the birdie bird.
It did what?
Okay, close that because the exhaust's getting in there. It's alive in there.
Let's bring it in the let's bring it in the house.
I was gonna give it to my grandma to take care of.
I kind of want to take care of it.
No, we don't have any means to take care of a bird.
We can.
Okay, I was going down the street and I saw a bird sitting there and I saw a little trail of blood.
Oh, poor birdie.
I don't really know how to open it.
Just open it. Just it can't fly, you said.
Can
right?
kinda.
Why would it try to escape? We're trying to help it.
Well, it doesn't know that. It's a wild animal. Hold on.
Oh, it's in my shirt.
Careful, guys. It's not happy about it.
You can tell, birdie. Oh, I see it.
See him?
It's a chickadee bird. It's a chickadee. There it is.
Don't eat me. Oh, the hawk got its eye.
Did?
Oh, I can't even stand it. Poor baby.
It's some kind of like goldfinch or something.
Well, I'm taking it to my granny.
Good. We should do that.
I don't
It's
want-
a